Hey guys, this is how to deposit funds in Etoro using a debit card. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply select deposit funds from the left-hand navigation, and after that just simply specify the amount and just simply select the debit card as your payment method. And after that, guys, just simply provide the necessary information about your card, like your card number, expiration date, the CVV code, and the name of the card. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and click on deposit. And from there, guys, your funds should be credited and available to invest within seconds. And now, guys, remember, if the deposit is not approved, you will be notified on screen or via email that your transaction is rejected. And guys, the important notes over here, only US issued Visa or MasterCard debit cards are accepted, and credit cards, prepaid cards, and gift cards are not accepted in this transaction. And guys, the debit card must belong to the eToro account holder as well, and your card details will be saved. But guys, remember that you can remove it anytime. And their minimum deposit is $100 and the maximum one is $40,000 per transaction. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.